Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Hey everybody, my name is Nakshatra and I'm Diksha and I'm Priyadarshan. We are from Groway. Our topic is AgroGuardian Intelligent Rain and Heat Defense for Crops. It falls under the Atmanirbhar Bharat category. We are very proud to participate under the Viksit Bharat Bill Report 2025. So our AgroGuardian project is a smart agricultural system which is embedded with many sensors and protective enclosures which protect the crop from extreme temperatures like rainfall and heat. And it also helps farmers to increase yield and sustainability. Farmers face several challenges due to unpredictable weather conditions such as heavy rainfall, heat and frost. Currently, there is no automated system that monitors these conditions and takes necessary actions to prevent crop damage. So the solution for this problem is that AgroGuardian. We designed this project to protect rain and to protect crops from rain and heat by sensors which trigger extreme weather conditions and activate the water pump and sprinkler system. So the components are, the main component is DHT32, which is the main controller, and DHT11, which senses the temperature and humidity, and also the canopy, which is the main protective enclosure to protect the crops, and also the water pump, which acts like a sprinkler to all for the plants for water, and also a servo motor, which is here, which automates the canopy and the protective enclosures, and the soil moisture, which detects this moisture in the soil, and at last the LCD monitor, which shows the results. Advantages. It automatically protects crops from extreme weather conditions. This family intervention prevents crop damage and improves the yield. This automated system saves farmers time. This system is cost energy efficient and it is easy to use. This system can be applied in various fields, like it can be used in smart agriculture or precise farming. It is valuable for the environment that require the monitoring and control, such developed in modern, space-conscious farming like urban gardens and rooftop farming. It serves as a valuable tool in research farms and agricultural institutes. Between the water pump when soil is too dry because of the soil moisture sensor, this will be inserted in the soil to measure the moisture of the soil, and this is used for rain, sensing the rain. The protected leaves on the canopy opens. We have then we are rain included. Virtual AgroGuardian is a smart agricultural system which has many sensors which protect the crop from extreme temperatures like heat and rainfall, and it also protects farmers, helps farmers to protect crops and increase their yield and sustainability in the farm. Thank you.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.